Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn variables and keywords in Java. So, what is variable in Java? A variable is a storage location or memory location that can hold value of a specific type. The value of variable may change during the life of program. As the name suggests, variable means the value of variable may change during the execution of program. Java is a statically typed language, means in Java all variable must be declared before use. We cannot use a variable without declaring it. In Java there are four types of variable. First one is local variable. Local variable defined within a block, method or constructor. The scope of this kind of variable is within the block. We cannot access this kind of variable outside that block. Second one is instance variable or non-static variable. We can define non-static variable within class but outside the block. The scope of this kind of variable is within whole class. We can access non-static variable within method or in our whole class. Third one is static variable. Static variable can be defined same as the instance variable, but a static keyword is used to define the static variable. Fourth one is parameter. We can define parameter within the method definition. Let's take an example how to define variable in Java. I write a class name test. In this class I am defining a method named add. So public is access modifier, void is return type, and the method name is add. So in this method I will define two variable. First one is variable name a and second one is b. Int, this is the type of variable, means a and b are integer type variable, and we can define more than one variable in a single line separated by comma. This is called variable declaration. We can initialize variable also. So how to initialize variable? If I write a variable var is equal to 10, then we can assign a value to this variable in the declaration. So this is called local variable. The scope of these variable is inside this block. We cannot access these variable outside of this block. Second one is instance variable or non-static variable. We can define non-static variable within class but outside a block, like int var1, comma var2, and so on. We can also initialize these variable, like if you assign 1 or 2 to these variables. So this is the initialization of the variable. These variable can be public, private, protected, or default. We learn access modifier in a different video, so in this I'll take it default. This kind of variable called non-static variable. Third one is static variable. If I use a keyword static and then declare a variable like var3, then this is called static variable. This is the same as this, but the static keyword is used before the declaration of this variable. The fourth one is parameter. So how to define parameter? If I write a method public void test, then if I define variable inside this braces, then this is called parameters. So if I define a and b within this, then these variables are called parameters. These variables have scope also within this block. We cannot access these variables outside this block. So what is the difference between static and non-static variable? Static variable can be accessed by normal method or static method in the class, but non-static variable cannot be accessed by static method. Non-static variables are assigned to each object of the class, but a copy of static variable is shared among all the object of class. So static variable use less memory and non-static variable use more memory. Static variable can directly access by class name, such as if I want to access this variable, so I need to write class name dot variable name. But non-static variable only accessed by object. So this is how we can define variables in Java. This variable is any kind like int, char or anything else. So what is data types in Java? In Java there are two types of data type. First one is primitive data type and second one is non-primitive data type. Primitive data types are predefined by Java. This is already defined in Java. These types are boolean, byte, char, short, int, long, float and double. The size is different for each data type. The size for boolean is 1 bit, the size for byte is 1 byte, the size for char is 2 byte, the size for short is 2 byte, for int is 4 byte, for long is 8 byte, for float is 4 byte, for double is 8 byte. Byte, short, int and long store the numeric values. Float and double store the floating point values. Boolean store true and false. And char data type store a character. Non-primitive data type, also called reference data type. This data type not defined by Java. It is created by programmer to call a method or perform some other operations. These are string, array and classes. What is naming rules for variables? Variables are case sensitive. Names can contain letter, digit, underscores and dollar signs. Names should start with a lowercase letter. Reserved word cannot be used as name. Names cannot contain white spaces. So these are the standard naming rules for a variable. Keywords in Java. Keywords are predefined words in Java that cannot be used as a variables, methods, or any class's name. We cannot use these name as a variable or class. These word known as reserved word. These are reserved for Java. We cannot use as a variable or other name. These are abstract, new, if, try, catch, sort, float, int, static, and so on. We use these words in our later programming. So, thank you for watching.